Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. This is Jackie. It's Monday, and I have to get into Aldi quickly because my kids only have a half day of school. It is a very hectic week in our house. I have to get in, get my groceries, and don't forget at the end, I'll share with you my meal plan. And let me tell you, I'm getting off easy this week. About a week and a half ago, we went to a barbecue, and they had s'mores made with these. We have graham crackers at home, but I'm gonna get these because they were so good. They're $1.89, and I've been looking forward to making them. I am officially done packing lunches. I'm so excited about it. Of course my kids will eat lunch at home, but I don't have to pack them. They don't have to withstand the lunchbox, the locker, all that crap. So I'm excited. But even though I'm not packing lunches, I know my son, he's a very much a creature of habit and picky. He's gonna still have nachos often with fruit and veggies. $1.99 for this. We will get the mild salsa, $2.35. And $1.95 for bite-sized rounds. I love it when this happens. Garlic bread was on my shopping list, and it's $1 off. Yay! So only $1.89. Now last week I really liked the seed bread, but as I suspected, I'm the only one that eat it, so it's in my freezer, and I'll just take out a piece by piece. But my husband and son love this bread, $1.29. I wanted bananas, but these I don't trust they're gonna actually turn yellow anytime soon, so I'm gonna leave them behind. Green grapes, yay, they're nice and firm, $1.99 a pound. I'm making fruit and veggie trays all summer for easy snacking additions to meals, $2.49. I'm gonna put peas in there. My kids love these with dip. I'm putting broccoli and cauliflower in my vegetable tray, but I still have like a half a head of each of these from last week, and we're gonna be gone about half the week, so I'm trying to use up a lot of what we have on hand. I'm gonna get a cucumber for 95 cents to slice in my veggie tray. My oldest asked me to get a cantaloupe, so here I am getting a cantaloupe. Just gotta dig, $2.49. I need a dozen eggs, $1.79. I've seen some places are posting their eggs are coming down significantly. I want to see eggs under $1 again. We are butter lovers and we're running low, so I need tub butter for $3.69. I always get the sea salt and olive oil if it's available. And then 4 sticks of unsalted butter because I can always salt it, $3.59. My oldest Mila said that mashed potatoes and sweet corn sounded good for her, but she said not an ear of corn, the canned stuff. So I'm getting corn for mashed potatoes, 63 cents. I need more potatoes, so 10 pounds is $3.99. And we go through potatoes. We will use these. I rarely waste potatoes. But it's crazy to me because a 5-pound bag is only a 40-cent savings for half as much. I have everything on hand almost to make my dog's food except for the eggs. I need a few of those, and then a couple more black bean cans. 81 cents, I'm getting 2 of them. We love peppers on our vegetable trays, but I still have a green pepper left from last week, so we're set there. I like having artichokes on salad. We just used the last of them, $2.59. I mentioned this to my husband last week, and he thought this would be fun to add by our pool. We just got rid of our gas fire table that we got at Aldi, I think probably 4 years ago now. Basically, it had worn down in the weather, but we're gonna get this, $29.99, and make s'mores. I'm excited. Now, I'm not in the market for this type of material. I think it's pretty, it's just not me. But they have the ladies' shorts in different colors. I actually wonder if my husband would like these. I'm tempted to get them and just see. $10 for a 2-pack of sweat shorts is like such a good deal, and I feel like he doesn't have to love them to get $10 of enjoyment out of them. But they don't have any sizes left. We have 2 of the extra larges. I think he'd mainly wear a large. He's pretty tall, but he's thin. I'm gonna get him these. We'll see if he likes them. I'll report back next week. I was just thinking today, I hope they have men's socks. I need more socks and tennis shoes. And I wear men's because I have big feet. $7.99. Yay. As I'm editing, I'm wearing my new socks and I absolutely love them. Big win. These balls are pretty fun. Wowza balls, inflatable pool, slip and slide, floats, water shoes, more floats. Now I know these are pretty polarizing. My kids did really great with these, but they don't technically, I guess, help your child learn to swim. So if they're reliant on these and then they fall in, they don't necessarily know what they're doing. But I'll tell you, we love them. We used to call them puddle jumpers, but there's lots of versions. Deck box, we have an Aldi deck box currently, a raised planter bed, that's cute. One of our lunch staples is quesadillas. $1.95 for these to have on hand. My two oldest can make their own. I make them for my son. We ran out of red pepper flakes, replenishing, $1.19. Okay, I'm gonna get pesto for the pasta if my daughter would like that. She loves pesto, so do I, my middle daughter Elsie. $2.19, but then we're gonna have paninis soon, and I have panini bread in my freezer, but I know we'll use that for then as well. And then I'm going to get tomato, basil, garlic, red sauce for the pasta dinner, $1.59. Obviously for s'mores, I need to get marshmallows, $1.09. Although, can't tell, that one looks like maybe it's gonna fall apart. We'll get a new bag. I'm just gonna say, these are so jumbo and fun, but they are very impractical. They're hard to eat, hard to make s'mores with. I think they're too hard, the giant guys. I'm also gonna get these for easy lunches. All my kids just eat cheese pizza, or maybe they'll put olives or artichokes on them. $2.49, and we can just use leftover red sauce from pastas. Again, I'm just trying to give them options and easy meals, and then they can always add fruits and veggies, and I'll have trays prepped of those. We're going easy for summer. $2.35. I need more flour, especially with my daughter, my older daughter home more. She likes to bake. And she will just decide last minute she wants to make something. So I gotta keep her supplies in stock. I have so much taco meat on hand, so I'm not getting red sticker, but they have red sticker ground beef, which is kind of killing me. I don't have the capacity or the time to prep that. And you know, my freezer situation is a little out of hand. But the red stickers are here, and I'm walking by. They have a red bag chicken. My middle daughter Elsie has recently discovered these as I was cleaning out the freezer, and she's almost ate me out of a bag that I found. She likes them air fried, which surprises me. There's some duck on sale, ribs. Here's their Grill Master collection they come out with every year. I've never bought it. Swiss and mushroom burgers or barbecue burgers, yum. My husband prefers to make our own patties as of late. They have the mini pizzas combination. Here's the cheese, which I am going to get. I've been saying for the past few weeks that as summer approaches, this will be another option. Again, add the fruit and veggie, good to go. $6.39 for 36 of these. They have these Bremer pasta meals, $4.99. When my husband and I were first married and early in our marriage and both working out of the house, we used to do a lot of frozen meals like this, and they were perfect for two, but I don't do them anymore. This looks so good to me. Stuffed gnocchi, Alfredo or tomato stuff. This is obviously not on my meal plan. I'm trying to see how you make it. A tablespoon of, oh, so you just saute them. I'm gonna get these, and maybe I'll make it with the KFC bowls, even though I didn't plan it. $3.49, it seems like a fun, yummy addition. They still have the German cabbage blend. There's potatoes, the strudels, the apple blossoms. I still haven't ate our apple blossoms. Grilled veggies with chicken, waffle fries. And we're moving into so many desserts. They have gluten-free desserts. They have the giant whipped topping tubs. I am gonna grab one of those because making sundaes and whatnot, my kids like this more than the aerosol lately. $1.79. I like the big tubs. Ice cream filled cupcakes, a German cake over there, gluten-free cheesecake here, biscuit roll-ups, little egg and cheese packets, ice cream bar galore. Definitely looks like a summer case. My husband is a huge Italian ice fan. My kids like it, so I'm gonna get this as a surprise to them because it seems like such a good value at $2.69. I'm gonna get mozzarella for mini pizzas to have on hand. It's a good through October 11th. I think we'll get through it by then. And then also my kids' favorite cheese is the Mexican shredded. They love this stuff. And quesadillas, nachos, anything. They just love this. $2.89. I am doing a 3-day fast right now. I have a whole fasting channel if you're interested in that, but it's something I do regularly. It's not extreme. But anyways, I drink a lot of sparkling water when I do that. So I got 3 more of these, the unflavored, my favorite one, 89 cents a piece. Along with the mashed potatoes and corn meal, my vegetarian also wanted these, 95 cents. And I'm getting cauliflower rice to mix with the fried rice today, $1.69. This is so cute. My kids are way too big for this, obviously, but I would have loved to have bought them this. It's for 1.5 to 4-year-olds. Just adorable. Really cute coloring kits. My kids have received these as gifts over the years. Really fun. Balls, 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 balls. And then they have these really cute giant animals. We bought these before at Sam's Club. They get kind of gross out by the pool eventually, kind of like all water toys, but these are hard to wash or care for. $20, they're fun while they last. They have different water games, they're on sale. I'm still tempted to get this for my Blackstone as I make a bunch of different foods. I could have it out there and serve it in here, but I just don't want to store it. That's the biggest problem. Oh my gosh, speaking of s'mores, look at this. A little roaster. I'm also tempted to get that for easy. I'm in the Aldi Finds food aisle. They have bacon spam. They have these blueberry or lemon poppy seed breads. So absolutely delicious. $3.99 a piece. There's a lot of different sweets. They have strawberry shortcake loft house cookies. They have little iced donuts that are a variety pack for $3.89. Patriotic themed cupcakes, brownies, and cookies. And then a couple different muffin flavors. I know I saw these last week, but I just walked through my pair. I literally hit concrete walking in them so much. So I'm trying to see if there is a size that I think I could work with. They are very messed up here. A real bummer, they did not have anything I could work with. So I'll have to check another Aldi sometime. Okay, here is my haul. Kind of random, less on meals, more on lunch prep and s'mores. But any guess on my total before I check out? Okay, my total is $129.56. Not bad considering I got a whole fire pit included in that, some shorts and socks. But let's go home and see my simple meal plan for the week. Tonight we are having fried rice for dinner. This is because I have a bunch of leftover rice from Greek bowls this weekend, and it's really a great way to repurpose it. Also, my vegetarian loves this meal, so it's a double win. Sometimes I can even get her to make it for dinner, so we'll see. Tuesday, I'm fasting all day. I'm actually fasting all day Monday, but I'm also doing it Tuesday. And another easy dinner that my kids really love that I don't feel like I'm missing out on is pasta. We use whatever pasta we have on hand. I have a bunch of boxes, and then I have jarred Alfredo using the red sauce, garlic bread, and then I'm gonna fry up some green beans with butter and garlic. Simple meal that my kids and even my husband really like that I won't miss. Wednesday is my kids' last day of school, and there's a planned fundraiser kind of in celebration of the last day of school. A local restaurant will donate a percentage of the proceeds from dinner back to the school for One of my kids is going to Washington, D.C. next year, so we make sure we participate in all those. I love any excuse to go out to eat anyways, so we're going to have that on Wednesday. Easy for me. Thursday, my vegetarian also requested any dinner that had mashed potatoes and corn. So, of course, I went to making KFC bowls, and that works out really well because as I've been trying to eat through our freezer, I have half a bag of popcorn chicken. I don't know when it's from, but we'll use it up with this dinner. Friday and Saturday. Friday is our anniversary and kind of a little fun getaway. We're going to Detroit to see a Tigers-Brewers game. My husband is a big Brewers fan, and they don't often play in Detroit, so it'll be fun to go to the game. On Friday, we're staying the night and going to spend the day in Detroit on Saturday, so we will be gone Friday, get back Saturday, but not until after we eat. Easy. And then finally, Sunday, another meal I don't have to plan. We have a grad party for one of our neighbors. They are serving food. It's at dinner time, and I'm not planning on like stuffing our faces there, but I'm also not going to make a dinner. So we can supplement with either leftovers, food that we have on hand, pantry stuff, and also their grad party. This is a very easy meal for me as far as workload on dinners, which is also good for my budget. KFC bowls use mashed potatoes, which is one of my favorite foods to not only eat, but to make. And if you want to see how I make them in my Instant Pot, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.